Hello there, this is Grandison Shines, Chief Marketing Officer here at Direct Business Marketing. Today I'm going to talk about bridging the search offer gap. When you have clients or we have prospects that are going to go to the search engine, we want to do a few things that I want to point out here. Very, very important, okay? So if they're going to the search engine and they're searching on information about your product, about your service, we want to make sure we bridge this search offer gap. Basically, what does your client care about? Two major points I want to make here. One, what do they care about? And then two, we want to make sure we give it to them. So let's back up a little bit here. They care about whatever they're typing in the search engine because they're looking for that information, looking for the product, looking for the service. When they click on your link that's in the search engine, whether it's a paid ad or organic search engine results, when they go to the site, the main thing we want to do is give it to them. And we want to make it very apparent. We want to make it right in their face. We do not want to hide it. We don't want to bury it. Whatever they're looking for, let's just give it to them. That's how you're going to get the best results from what you're going to be embarking upon when you are targeting search engine optimization. Okay? Here is my information. Grandison Shines. You can reach me at 602-369-8119 or email me directly at grandison@directbusinessmarketing.com. Don't forget to download our free marketing assessment. All right, go to directbusinessmarketing.com/MA for a marketing assessment. Again, that's directbusinessmarketing.com/MA for marketing assessment. Thank you, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.